guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you could change the language of Cricut Design Space? Let me show you how. I will have this linked below. You want to go to the Cricut's help. It's help.cricut.com, and you will see how to use Design Space in another language. You can choose Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, and Dutch. When you get to this page, you're going to choose the internet browser that you use, whether it be Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Today, I'm going to show you Safari. You would come to your list, click Safari. Then it's going to bring you here. It's going to walk you through the steps how to do this. If you didn't have Safari, you would click whichever one. So say, for example, it was Google Chrome. I would click on Google Chrome. Once again, it's going to walk you step by step how to change your language. From here, it is telling us to go up to the Apple menu and choose System Preferences. If you bring your mouse up to the top and hover, it's going to open this top bar. You're going to see an Apple, click it, System Preferences, and you're going to choose Language and Region. So this right here with the flag. From here, you're going to choose your language. For mine, it says English. If you'd like to add another language besides English, you can see the list is here. You can add another language. So I would hit the plus, and you can see all of your languages here. I'm going to choose Spanish. So I would click on the one right here that says Spanish. I'm going to click Add. At this point, it's going to ask you, would you like to use Spanish as your primary language? I would choose Spanish. I'm going to choose Add Import Source. I'm going to drop this down, exit out of my browser. I'm going to go back into my browser, and I'm going to go to Cricut Design Space. Now, as you can see, I'm going to expand this. Now you can see everything is in Spanish. So if I zoom in here, you can see it's in Spanish. My name here will stay Cricut Cutie Cup, but if you see down here, it's in Spanish. Or you would add your project, you can see that that is in Spanish. So let's go ahead and click right here. You can see where it says to start a new project. And now you can see that everything is in Spanish. So just like that, super easy. Now if I'd like to change back to English, I would simply come up to the top, hover again, click on the Apple, System Preferences, then you would click on English, and I would drag it above. So I'm holding it with my mouse, and I just drag it right above Spanish. So now it's back to English. So I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to exit out of the browser. I'm going to reopen my browser, go to Cricut Design Space, and now you can see it's back in English. Like I said, you could change this to Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, and Dutch. Once again, I'm going to have this linked down below. All you simply need to do is click on the link. It's going to bring you directly here. Then you're going to choose which one, whether it be Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Once again, walk through those steps. If you're using Safari, you could simply follow my tutorial here to see how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.